Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel and this is Gabby's Vlog. Today's vlog ay tungkol po sa F2 Logistics. Ano kaya nangyari? Saan nag-leak na yun? Malaman natin yan. Subscribe na to YouTube channel at alamin kung bakit gusto ko mag-subscribe. Sana gusto ko mapapasalamat at supportan natin. This is Vlog 105, Episode 105 entitled F2 from PSL to PBL. Here's your vlog. Na natin with that the F2 Logistics Cargo Movers, ito yung volleyball team composed of De La Salle University volleyball players. Watch this. Now, Premier Volleyball League. F2 Logistics now moved to BBL after PSL for 5 years. At 5 championship na for F2 Logistics. 2016 All Filipino Conference, Grand Prix 2017, Invitational 2018, All Filipino Conference 2019, and Invitational 2019. This is 5. And ilan awards na yung special awards na individual F2 players. Oh, si Kim, I think is 1, 2. Oh, sige, marami na sana. Pero 2018 po yung may Grand Slam. Grand Slam, Grand Prix, on Filipino, tsaka Invitational 2018. While, iba MVPs like Aragalan, Dom Makadilig, and Majoy Boron. Pati si Kalimao. That announced that F2 now PBL. At makakasama na po yung ibang BSL players na snap ang PBL like Cherry Trigo, Signa, PLDT, at ano pa? O sige, na. F2 na PBL. I'm so happy that after 5 years of PSL, of Philippine Superliga, that get ready na maglaro for F2's first game in PBL sa May 2021 along with the current team of PBL like Cream like Smashers, Chocomucho, and Eddie, I think is Petrogas Angels, tsaka malaman natin yan. Sana yun. For now, here's our timelines about Kim Fajardo. Pinakahuling PSL game na beat ko with Kim Fajardo na October 12, 2019. At 3 games na yung PSL game sa Caloocan Sports Cup is for F2. Dalawang 2018 at saka isang 2019. At ang pinakahuling PSL game ng F2 ay Kalaway Signa before the pandemic start na mga March 7, 2020. Kasi si Kim Fajardo I'm excited na para sa Premier Volleyball League. At makakalaban pala yung Cream na kay Alyssa Valdez at si Gia Morado. Ano ba? Gusto ko malakas. Alam, F2 players like Ami Maranyo, Aragala, Dom Makadilig, Kalimao, Majoy Baron, Kiara D, and Almond As. Titan na para sa F2 games sa Premier Volleyball League. And hopefully each other good luck. At sana maglaro ang PBL games about F2 for the first champion sa liga ito. Hindi na sa PSL kasi wala na siya. Sa Premier Volleyball Liga. And along that, Santa Lucia, kalimutan kanina. Santa Lucia Realtors, Lady Realtors. And hopefully, supportan natin ang F2 para sa first game sa May 2021 for Premier Volleyball League. Pero, this is a new normal event at the Laguna. Sa Laguna po gaganap. Sana may Caloocan Sports Complex. Sana also. Thank you very much po. We hope to see you next vlog. And supportan natin F2 Logistics on Premier Volleyball Day. See you next time. Bye-bye!